Connecting your Sellvia account and your Amazon store. You can connect your Amazon store and your Sellvia account to sync orders and process them with Sellvia. You will need to connect the store once, and then use it to process orders you receive. To connect your Amazon store and Sellvia account, log into your Sellvia account and open Stores. Click the plus icon in the right top corner to create new keys. Click the downward arrow of the new keys to see the details and then click Login Amazon. You will be redirected to your Amazon Seller Central login page. Log in to your Amazon Seller account. You will see the permission page. Check the box at the bottom, click Confirm and your store and Sellvia account will be connected. In your Sellvia account, Stores section, you will see the name of your store and new buttons to log out of Amazon and to sync your orders. Congratulations! Your Amazon account and your Sellvia account are now connected. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day ahead. Bye!